What's good, my brother? It's your man Target Matthias here, and today I am here with another vibe, and I know you already packed your luggage, and I know you are planning to take that move to United Emirates Arab, Dubai to be specific, and look for greener pasture because Africa is hot. Yeah, so in this video, right, I'm going to give you 5 solid tips that will help you when you finally arrive at Dubai. Now, you and I know that you are going there on a visit visa, right? It's not anything new. So when you get there on a visit visa, the first thing you have to do is to find a company as soon as possible so that you can be able to change your visa status from visit visa to employment visa. Because if you don't change your visa status before it expires, there is a fine on you. There is penalty. Let me put it this way: there is penalty if you overstay, right? If you want to know more about that, then I think head back to the name on the screen, Kofi Techi. He posted a lot of updates about that. He's my big brother. Go and watch his videos about that. He is actually based in Dubai and he posted a lot of those things on his page. Like I said, try as much as possible to change your visa status from visit visa to employment visa. In this case, you are just new in the system. Accept any job offer that is so convenient to you and use that as a stepping stone, right? What do I mean by stepping stone? That lead me, after you accept that job, start saving, my brother. Start saving, my sister. Don't send all your money back to Africa in the name of I'm saving. No, don't save in Africa. You are in Dubai. You are in Dubai. You need to be stable. You need to be established. I know what I'm telling you. And I'm not saying don't send money to the people back home. I know you have responsibilities, but you are in a different world. If you were to die today, the people back in Africa, they will survive. Regardless, they will survive. So when you get there, you start working. Inshallah, you start working. You have to start saving small. Whatever money you get at the end of the month, save, my sister. Save. I know the reason why I say save. I will tell you in tips 3, right? After saving that money, right, what you have to do is to use that money to upgrade yourself. Remember, you are in different land. No one will come and save you. You have to save yourself, right? So use that money to upgrade yourself. And what do I mean by upgrading yourself? I simply mean learn a skills that you can monetize both online or work for someone to make more money, so that now you can be able to help your family home or save some money back home. Okay, because if you don't do this, if you don't save and upgrade yourself, you end up by stuck into one job. I've seen so many people that are stuck in one place, complain every day their salary is small, and living is very difficult for them, I can say. And I'm not saying they are not doing well, they are doing well, but what they are earning is just like hand to mouth. Okay, so if you don't want this to happen to you, when you get the job, save and upgrade yourself. Now, the skills that you have upgraded yourself into is when you finish, you get a certificate. Now, my 4th point is, after the certificate, use that certificate to look for a job. Let's assume you go for graphic designer, because when I get there, I go for graphic designing, which helped me. After completing my graphic designing course in Dubai, I try my best and monetize my designs online, which really pay me off. You can also do that depending on the course you are going. Now we are living in a modern world. Whatever skills you have, you can find a way to monetize it online and be able to get some money at the end of the day or the month or the year, depending on what you are monetizing. Okay, and when you go for graphic designing, like my case, you monetize it online, or you can choose to work for someone that will pay you a month. With that, you now have a lot of value. Do you understand? Because you are not there as a helper. Now you have a skills. Okay, because I've seen so many people that live there over 7 years, 10 years, they are still a helper. And in Dubai there is a salary range for helper and there is a salary range for skills worker. So I don't want you to fall in this trap. That is why I'm giving you my experience about this, which you are not paying for. The only thing you have to do is to like this video, share to your friend, so that he can also have a test of what I'm saying. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Now, my last tip, because I try as much as possible to keep this video short, and if you are interested of knowing more, that is, like I said, go and watch Kofi Techi. The name is on the screen. Go and watch Kofi Techi. Okay, now my last tips: when you get to Dubai, please don't associate yourself with your nationalities. Yes, after doing all this, don't associate yourself too much with your nationality. Some of them have weak mindset, and some of them are really enjoying staying at one place. Maybe that is not what you want. Maybe you are there for a purpose, but associating too much with them will limit you, right? Let's assume the person was stuck at one place, and you as a new person, whatever you want to do, he will tell you that if you do this, there is nothing good will come. I've tried it before and I am here before you come. All those kind of stories, to those who are there already, can testify what I'm saying, right? So try as much as possible to explore in different angles, but don't just listen to your nationalities and then take actions. Make sure you do a lot of research about whatever you want to do, and you are good to go, right? So thank you for watching, and this is just my quick advice to you that are planning to relocate. And if you are interested in anything like this, kindly comment on the comment section, and I will give you find this video useful. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of this amazing family. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to notify anytime I drop something very unique like this.